Welcome to our very first town hall as Newport News Shipbuilding, Charleston Operations. And I can't tell you how excited I am to celebrate the official start of production here in Charleston, where we will support high-quality, mission-ready ship components to send up to Newport News and EB, ultimately winding in the hands of our Navy and our great nation. I'd like to personally thank each and every one of you all for committing to be a part of the Newport News Shipbuilding Charleston family. Let me talk about the incredible opportunity ahead of us as we ramp production to over 1,000 shipbuilders in the next 24 to 36 months. We had more than 10 trucks outside this morning loaded with Newport News shipbuilding material, waiting for this site to begin production. On top of that, we will start work on our first aircraft carrier unit and our submarine module in the next 2 weeks. So it's absolutely critical that we all get ready. With this volume of work coming, we must take every opportunity to instill a strong safety culture, both mentally and physically, every time we walk through those gates. The mission starts with us. This is not just a slogan, it's a mindset that guides our every action.
Every time I talk to somebody, I was really thinking about military for a long time and always wanted to kind of do my part. So it feels nice being able to do your part and feel like you're coming to work to actually make something that other people's lives depend on. So it makes you care about it that much more and make sure you're ready for work every day.
We all feel very fortunate to be a part of a big leap. You know, that's a nice break, and I don't think that a lot of organizations kind of get that type of break. So we're excited. If you haven't seen the facility yet, come on down. There's going to be a lot of new and great changes for the future for sure.
We get to recognize something truly special today. I've asked my leadership team as plank owners to sign the first plate over here, signifying our commitment to you and your success and the success of this entire operation. Machinist Nathan Burkos will fire up this machine and will cut our first official plate of metal that we will machine into a Newport News spear and gear, our legacy shipyard logo, and it will hang behind the main front desk in the lobby and serve as a historic marker for the start of Newport News Charleston Operations. For our visitors, for our future employees, and for all of us as plank owners for Newport News Shipbuilding, Charleston Operations.